Okay, we're working on page 133 in our online textbook. I'm going to start by drawing me a construction line lining up with this center so I can have a center on these two drawings up here. And we'll do the same thing from the bottom circle. And that just gives me a starting point. Alright, the first one says construct a square given a 2.5 inch diagonal. And I'm going to use my scale. I'm going to draw or mark a 1 1/4 inch from my center. Using my compass. Using my compass, I'm going to draw a 2 1/4 inch or 2.5 inch circle. Really, I could join this point to this point to this point to this point and get my square, because that's actually a square. It would just be turned on edge. But for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use my 45-degree triangle. And we'll join these points. And I did that one backwards. It should have went from bottom to top. Yeah, should have went from top to bottom. Okay, I constructed a square given 2.5 inch diagonal. All right, let's construct a square given a 2 inch side. Again, use my scale. I'll mark 1 inch. With my compass, I'm going to draw a circle. Okay. Now I'm going to put a vertical line on it. And at this point, I'm going to draw a tangent line. And then I will draw a tangent line at the top. And I will need to go back and clean up the corners on those, but that's a 2 inch sides on a square. I'm going to skip the pentagon. We're going to do it on a larger scale so you can see what I'm doing. It's a little more complex than these others. The next one is construct a hexagon using the compass. And I'm just going to draw me vertical line through the diameter, the circle, not a vertical, horizontal. And then measure my compass to the center. Now I can connect the points that I just made on the outside of my circle, maybe touching the edge of my circle. And we made a hexagon using compass. Okay. The last one says inscribe, so we're going to do a circumscribe on this one. It says construct a hexagon using a 30-60 triangle. So we're going to use our 30-60 triangle. Going outside. And I'm drawing this a little darker than you should so you can see what I'm doing. I'll figure out what I'm doing in a minute. Okay, that's not perfect. I tried to get in a hurry to show you this. So the video won't be so long. On the next one it says inscribe a hexagon, and we're going to do it with a 30-60 triangle again. And then I was just drawing my points. Which I actually could do it. And that's page 133 in our textbook. We've constructed a square given a diagonal. We're constructing a square given a side. We constructed a hexagon with a compass. We constructed a hexagon with a 30-60 triangle, and we inscribed the hexagon.